How to get free internet on Android phones without Wi-Fi. You may have heard that people can get free internet for their Android devices. It's true. Here are a few ways they can. There's a catch. There are requirements that you have to meet first. You must have an active data plan with no balance remaining. And preferably an Android device that runs Android 4.0 or higher. It could be an Android phone or tablet. How to get free internet on Android phones without Wi-Fi. VPN for free internet. VPN stands for the Virtual Private Network. You can change VPN software so that it connects to the internet virtually and you aren't charged for surfing the web. Droid VPN is an app that you can use. It's an easy-to-use VPN software that helps you unblock regional internet restrictions, bypass firewalls and browse the web anonymously by tunneling your internet traffic to its servers. Here's what to do. Step 1. Download and install the app from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Create a username and register with your username, password, and email address. Step 3. Tap on Connection Setting GT, Connection Protocol GT, select TCP option. Step 4. Click on HTTP headers and tap checkbox to enable. Step 5. Type into custom HTTP headers hostget.wink.in/x online hostget.wink.in/ and tap OK. Step 6. Open Droid VPN. Select any available connection and click on the Connect button. Step 7. You are now connected to Droid VPN. Start browsing the web. Use Fly VPN. Another option is to Fly VPN, which you do not have to download to your Android device. Here's what to do. Step 1. Tap on Settings GT, Wireless and Network GT, select VPN. Step 2. Click on the plus sign and sign on to the top right corner to add a new VPN. Step 3. Select whichever name you want to use. Step 4. Select the type of VPN as PPTP. Step 5. Add the server address of your specific country when you register. You register at http://www.fly.com/user/servers. Step 6. Select Check PPP Encryption, MPPE, and tap Save. Step 7. Click Fly to connect. Step 8. Use your username and password to sign in and click Connect.